Audacity. It is free and open source audio editing and recording software. Installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Google search box లో enter Audacity download. Enter key press. audacityterms.org download. First link click. Audacity official web page complete display. Latest version download section లో display. Current version 3.7.7 and downloads for supporting OS Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Users also download this application related. First one Windows, Intel 32 and 64-bit ARM64 beta. Windows click. Download for Windows. Second one 64-bit installer. Download button click. Download section లో Audacity-Win latest version 3.7.7 64-bit.exe file. Downloading process start. File size 17.7 MB. Back to arrow click. Again re-click. Scroll down. Install FFmpeg libraries in Audacity. Related link click. Installing FFmpeg section లో scroll down. Recommended installer. First one download file FFmpeg installer from related link. Download this link library files. Present unnecessary browser. Minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder లో Audacity exe file display. Select mouse double click. Audacity setup window లో first button yes click. Download folder minimize. Select setup language window లో default language English display. Right side box down arrow click. Number of languages display. Scroll down. Select your convenient language. Default English select. First button OK click. Welcome to the Audacity setup wizard window లో first button next click. Installation window లో please read the following important information before continuing. Application related license info display in box. Second button next click. Select destination location. Audacity application related files installation path display in box. Local disk C program files newly created folder. Audacity default set path. In case change the another OneDrive browse button click. Present unnecessary second button next click. Select additional task. Additional shortcuts. Create a desktop shortcut. Necessary box tick mark set. Unnecessary tick mark remove. Present necessary tick mark set. Easy access purpose. Run this application. Tick mark set. Second button next click. Ready to install window lo second button install click. Installing. Please wait while setup install Audacity on your computer. Installation completing the Audacity setup wizard. After display desktop shortcut Audacity. Present application run launch Audacity. Left side box tick mark set. Finish button click. Disable UID click. Present unnecessary close. User interface display window maximize. File menu click. Second option open click.